Hey guys, if you haven't seen me before, my name's Elena. I'm Matt's fiance. Wife. I'm Matt's wife. And welcome to our channel. Today I will be reviewing Caraway cookware. I am so excited to open it, you guys. I have been stalking this brand on Instagram for, I don't know, probably 5 months now. And their stuff is so beautiful and so cute. And not only that, but it's super healthy for you. As their overview, it says,
ditch the chemicals with Caraway's ceramic-coated cookware. Our complete set has everything you'll need for healthy cooking in your kitchen, staying organized with both our pot and lid holders and looking good while doing so.
It is non-toxic, free of Teflon, non-stick ceramic with an aluminum core and stainless steel handles. It's free of Teflon, PFOA, heavy metals, and other PFAs. Our cookware set's coating does not include potentially toxic materials. I got the full cookware set, which comes with the frying pan, the saute pan, the saucepan, and the Dutch oven. So it comes with all of the pieces. I cannot wait to get into this. It has been sitting in my house for almost a week, and I'm dying to show you guys this. But first, let me show you how big this box is. I barely fit in a frame, you guys. This is a huge box. I'm so excited to bust into this, though. Box is kicking my butt. On the bright side, you know that your package is coming well sealed.
One eternity later.
Moment of truth. I think I finally got it open. Ooh. Let's see what's in this top box. So I got the green color because I thought it would look so beautiful in my house. The prettiest pot lid I've ever seen in my life. Here's the next one, next size up. It has little pockets to hang on the cabinet door, and it comes with the hooks and everything to hang it. These are exceeding my expectations, and my expectations were incredibly high. Look at this. Is this not the prettiest pot to ever exist? I didn't know it came with little coaster pads. It's all the info I need to know about it, how to store it, to care for it, what to feed it, how often to water it, take it for a walk. Really, I need this. Even the handles are engraved. And our smaller pot. And the box isn't empty yet. It keeps going. So each pot and pan comes with their own little holder. And there we go. It makes storage easy, very compact, which is really nice, especially if you have like a small space. Makes it so that you have no issue fitting all of these beautiful pots and pans. And this is everything you need. You do not need anything else. You have a regular pot, a Dutch oven, a regular pan, and a saucepan with the storage racks and hangers for it and the little pot coasters. You do not need anything else. This is incredible. The little pan, the regular pot. And I thought that this was all going to be in one big connected rack, and I'm really glad that it's not, because depending on what size cabinets you have and whatnot. Oh, they are magnetic though. I'm wondering why I'm rejecting it. Look at that. So awesome. Because then if you need to break them up with your space, it's not a problem at all. You could so easily put 2 and 2 or whatever works in your space. I've never seen a more well thought out display of pots and pans in my life. So not only do we have all of these, we have the coasters, we have all the lids in their hanging rack. I hope that this was helpful to you if you're at all interested in the Caraway cookware line. I will be testing it out tomorrow. I'll be linking Caraway down below. They're an incredible brand. They're super healthy. If you're really health conscientious and want to make sure that you're not poisoning your body with any sort of chemicals or anything, this cookware is definitely the way to go. It's as clean as it gets for cookware on the market right now. They're top of the line. They're not cheap, but they're worth it. You get a discount for buying the whole set as opposed to buying the pieces individually. So thanks so much, you guys, for coming. If you want to see more videos like this and more content like this, make sure to drop a comment down below and like this video, and then we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!